Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're getting the call failed error on your iPhone after updating to iOS 26, you're not alone. Many users have reported call drops, failed calls, or not being able to make or receive calls at all. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you 4 effective ways to fix the call failed issue on your iPhone. Let's get right into it. Solution 1. Turn airplane mode on and off. Swipe down from the top right and tap the airplane mode icon. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off again. This refreshes your iPhone's network connection and may resolve the issue. Solution 2. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix software glitches after an update. Press and hold the side button or volume button, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Try making a call again. Solution 3. Remove and reinsert the SIM card. Use a SIM ejector tool or pin to remove your SIM card. Clean it gently with a dry cloth. Reinsert it securely and wait for the network to reconnect. This can fix any issues caused by a loose or misaligned SIM. Solution 4. Reset network settings. This will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords and VPNs but won't delete your data. Go to Settings. Tap on General. Then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. Then tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm. Your phone will restart. Try making a call afterward. And that's it for today's video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.